Are you all ready to start the session right away? Amazing, guys. So right now, again, it's going to be verbal. My summary is going to be verbal. Please listen carefully. Okay, I'm going to keep the mic closer. Listen. All right. So the first one, the first chapter that we'll discuss right now is light. Got it? So in this chapter, the first introduction we learned about light is a form of energy which enables us to see the things around us. So it is light which helps us to see the things all around us. Isn't it, guys? So then we learned that what actually makes things visible. All right. We know that in order to see an object, the object has to either emit light or reflect light. The objects which emit light, they have their own light called as luminous objects. The objects which do not emit their own light, they just reflect, they are called as non-luminous objects. Now, when this light reaches our eyes, only then we will be able to see the object. So light has to reach our eyes. Then we learnt about the bouncing back of light into the same medium. What is that? So bouncing back of light into the same medium is called as reflection. Right? Now, under reflection, we learnt about what is incident ray, what is normal at the point of incidence, and what is reflected ray. Right, guys? Let me draw and show you again. So this is the mirror, incident ray, the ray which hits the mirror. This is the reflected ray, and a normal perpendicular to the mirror. Right. So this is all we learned about. And the angle between the incident ray and the normal is the angle of incidence. The angle between the normal and the reflected is the angle of reflected. First law of reflection tells us the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is the first law. Second law of reflection tells us, listen carefully, the incident ray, the reflected, and the normal at the point of incidence, they all lie on the same, tell me. They all lie on the same plane. Very good job, guys. Okay, so this is what we learned about reflection and the laws of reflection. Later on, we also learned about what are the types of reflections possible. One is regular reflection, other one is diffused reflection. What is regular? If reflection happens on a smooth surface, it is called regular reflection. If reflection happens on the rough surface, it's called diffused or irregular reflection. Okay, yes. Next, after that, we learned about multiple images. That is, due to when you have more than one mirror, the light ray bounces back and forth several times. So when light bounces back and forth several times, it creates multiple image formation. This is how rainbow brings the color to the eye. Let's go quick. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.